Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to High Mathematics class, chapter 2, lecture 7. This is Mohammad Arif Sarker, and in this class I am going to discuss about an important algebraic formula. Formula is for all values of ABC, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice ABC equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It is very easy to prove. Proof is here. Given left side, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. Applying the corollary of a cube plus b cube, we get a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. And here plus c cube minus thrice abc. Now arranging this line, you get a plus b whole cube plus c cube minus, and taking minus thrice ab as common, you get minus thrice ab into a plus b and c from here. So minus thrice ab plus into a plus b plus c. Now applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, we get, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and here a is a plus b, so, and b is c. So a plus b means a plus b plus c into a square means a plus b whole square minus ab. Ab means here a is a plus b and b is c, and plus b square, and this term. Again, applying the formula of a plus b whole square, you get a square plus twice ab plus b square, and multiplying these two, you get minus ac minus bc plus c square. And taking a plus b plus c from these two terms, we get a plus b plus c, and simplifying this, we get a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is our right side. It's proved. Now corollary 1, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to half into a plus b plus c into a plus a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. It is also very easy to prove. We get from previous formula that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now from this expression, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, we get, taking half as a common, then we get twice a square plus twice b square plus twice c square minus twice ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. And arranging this expression, we get a square minus twice ab plus b square plus b square minus twice bc plus c square plus c square minus twice ac plus a square. Implies that is equal to half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This expression is equal to half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc equal to half of a plus b plus c into this expression is equal to this. So into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. That's proved. Now corollary 2 and 3. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice abc. It is also very easy to prove. If we put here a plus b plus c equal to 0, then this expression will be 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to thrice abc. Okay. Now corollary 3, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to thrice abc, that means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc equal to 0. Okay, so we have to show that a plus b plus c equal to 0 or a equal to b equal to c. Okay, it is also very easy to prove. Do yourself. Now example 18, factorize a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. We can easily factorize example 18 using corollary 2. Let a minus b equal to capital A, b minus c equal to capital B, and c minus a equal to capital C. And we get a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then applying corollary 2, we can say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice abc. Okay, and putting the value of capital A, capital B, and capital C, we get the factorized form of example 18. Clear? I hope it is. Now problem 8 of exercise 2. Given that if 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube equal to 3 by abc, then we have to show that bc plus ca plus ab is equal to 0 or a is equal to b is equal to c. It is also very easy to prove from corollary 3. If from corollary 3 we get that if a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice abc, then a plus b plus c is equal to 0 or a is equal to b is equal to c. Given that 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube is equal to 3 by abc, that means 3 into 1 by a into 1 by b into 1 by c. Then applying corollary 3, we get that 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0 or 1 by a is equal to 1 by b is equal to 1 by c. Now adding this, we get this, and inverting and applying invertendo, we get this a is equal to b is equal to c. Therefore, we get bc plus ca plus ab is equal to 0 or a is equal to b is equal to c. It should. Now, problem 9 of exercise 2. If x is equal to b plus c minus a, y is equal to c plus a minus b, and z is equal to a plus b minus c, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus thrice xyz is equal to 4 into a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. Solution: left side, given left side x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus thrice xyz. And we know from the corollary 1 that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus thrice xyz is equal to half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. And putting the values of x, y, z, we get this. And cancelling minus a plus a, c plus c minus c minus b plus b. Here also cancelling plus c minus c. Here also minus a plus a minus b plus b. We get half of here a plus b plus c from first factor. From here we get twice b minus twice a whole square. And if we take 2 as common and outside from the whole square, then 2 become 4. Okay, 2 become 2 squared, that means 4. Similar here, 4 into c minus b whole square plus 4 into a minus c whole square. And taking 4 as a common, we get this. We know that a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square are same, so we can write From here, b minus a whole square is equal to a minus b whole square, c minus b whole square is equal to b minus c whole square, and a minus c whole square is equal to c minus a whole square. And from this part, we can write that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. Okay, this is our right side. Hence, sure. This is all for today. Thank you.